Hey, it is Aliki here, and I'm literally about to finish my 6 months travel around South America. And I know for a lot of you it's a big question what to pack. So today I'm gonna be sharing with you everything I packed in my 40-liter backpack. Just before we jump into each item, I just want to say two important things. One, that I was traveling during the dry season through South America. I planned every country so that in every country I'm there during the dry season, the winter, so I get less rain. And I want to clarify a very, very big myth is that people think that South America is hot and warm and it's rainforest and beaches, but trust me, and this was my mistake. There is Andes, which is like one of the biggest mountain system in the world, and there is a lot of beautiful, amazing places and cities high up in the mountains. Like the highest I went was like 5,000 meters above sea level. So no matter if it's summer, winter, whatever season, it's gonna be colder there than at the beaches and the rainforest. So yeah, South America is an incredible continent because it has beaches, like really hot weather all year round. You have mountains where there is snow all year round, and then you have a rainforest, which is like completely totally different world. So really, I think to pack for South America for a long trip is the hardest thing ever. Okay, so I guess I have to start with the bag that I chose, and I want to say that in this video I'm going to be mentioning a few brands just because I absolutely love them and I think they are the best. I have no affiliation with any of them. I wish I had, but I don't. So yeah, the bag I got from Osprey, and that was after a big research online, like which is the best backpacking bag, and a lot of people were suggesting Osprey, and I got Osprey bag and I'm so happy. It's been amazing bag. And the funny thing is that when I started to travel then to South America, I just saw so many people with Osprey bags. I feel like Osprey is like a really good brand to choose because a lot of backpackers choose those bags, and I saw like at least 6 bags identical to me. So I think you definitely get an Osprey bag. It's a really good bag, but add something like, I don't know, like a red ribbon or something, some kind of thing attached, because I saw at least 6 bags identical to me, and after that I put like this thing around my bag just so no one else takes my bag. So this is the Osprey bag that I got, and I'm really happy about it. And of course, apart from the big backpack, I was having a smaller bag that I usually wear in front of me, or obviously used as a backpack. And there I would put my laptop, my phone, my documents, my drone. So like all the important things was always with me in the small bag in the hand luggage. Of course, we took our backpacks in hand luggage a lot too, but sometimes we were able to give them away. So all the important things were always with me in the smaller bag. So apart from the 2 big bags, I also had like this little tiny bag that is very easy to fold, and like it takes just a bit of a space, just for when I only need like my phone and wallet and maybe water, when you're going sightseeing, then you don't want to be carrying the big bag. So I had that small bag with me, and I also have like this little cute bag just for the phone, just literally when I don't want to carry anything, I just need a place for my phone. So I had that one too. So I'm literally now sitting here, I have all the stuff here, and I'm just be going through one by one. Okay, I think I'm gonna start with the hiking boots because that question's been on every single Facebook group every week. Someone's asking, do they need hiking boots in South America? I would say the answer is no, you don't need them, but I had them and I did wear them a lot. Regarding shoes, really I had 4 pairs. I had my hiking boots, I had just like a normal shoes, which are like they are like quite comfy and sporty, so I could wear them a lot when I was walking around a lot, but also they are like in a pink cute color, so I could wear them with like jeans or a dress. I mean, it wasn't the best look, but like I could get away with it. Then I have like sandals because of course you will be traveling a lot in the warm places too, and I think shoes are just like too hot. I need like open sandals, at least me personally. And of course flip-flops. Like flip-flops is like a must. Like I think I wore flip-flops like 80% of the time, because obviously I wore flip-flops when it was really hot, and then I've been wearing flip-flops in all the hotels everywhere where I've been staying. It's my it's my slippers, my house slippers. So yeah, the flip-flops, actually I've broke already 2 flip-flops. This is my 3rd flip-flops now at the end of the trip. So yeah, I think you're gonna be wearing them a lot, so flip-flops for sure. And a must-have definitely is a raincoat, because even if I plan my trip around dry season, I mean the weather is always unpredictable. I'm sure you're gonna get rain even if you're like traveling like me during the dry season. I used my raincoat quite a bit, but it wasn't like a bad rain. It was just like maybe an hour or a small rain there and then, but definitely a raincoat or a jacket that is rain resistant. Two things you definitely need, and I mean you can buy this on the spot when you arrive, is a sunscreen and mosquito repellent, because trust me, these two things you're gonna be using a lot. I don't know why the sun in South America is just 3 times stronger. Like, I was going out in my jacket, I mean I'm up in the mountains, and I could still feel how strong is the sun and how it's burning my face or my arms if they open. So I was actually using sunscreen by the beach, in the mountains, maybe not in the rainforest, but I was using it a lot. This is already like my third bottle, and mosquito repellent is just gonna be like, you need it. Like, I'm quite good with mosquitoes. Like, when they bite me in Europe, I don't really like, I mean, you know, you get like the standard reaction. I went to South America several times. I've been bitten by something that, like, I have a crazy allergic reaction. The bumps are just like mountains, like it's crazy. So I've been using repellent a lot, and you will need it. And I think even if you are good with the bug bites, like you go to South America, it's completely total different world. At the moment I'm down to 30, but I did start with 50. Like, my first 2 months I think I was just using 50, I was buying 50. But yeah, now at the end of the trip I feel like I have started to get used to a bit to the South American sun and climate. So yeah, I'm down to 30 now. And of course, for must have, I think personally, sunglasses and a hat. At least one hat and at least one sunglasses for sure. And yeah, I have my sunglasses. I'm absolutely obsessed with hats. I feel like that's my new obsession. I have like 5 hats with me. Like, it's too much. You don't need that much hats. But I think the hat really also very good to protect you from the sun, and just in general I feel much like better when I have hat when I'm in the sun. So sunglasses and hat I think would be like a must have for me if I would go again to South America. Also, make sure you have the right adapter. So this one I got online. I don't remember where, I don't know the brand, but basically I got one that fits with everything. So in the must-have pile, I'm also adding towel, because I didn't use it that much, but when I used it, like, I really needed it. There was times when I really needed it. So yeah, I got the type of a towel that is really thin, and it's like really easy to fold, and it's like, it doesn't take too much space. I mean, clothes wise, I don't know, I don't feel like there's anything specific. I mean, jeans and t-shirts always go down well. I was wearing jeans and t-shirts a lot. You need one long trousers. You also need one like long sleeves. You need like a jumper, because trust me, it is going to be cold. I had, as I said, I looked at it that I had like jeans and t-shirt for like sightseeing and cities. I had like a really sporty like costume for like when I'm going hiking, when I'm by the nature. I had like a jumper and a jacket for like a colder nights and when I'm higher up in the mountains. I had like a really cute pretty dress, you know, for when I'm going out for a dinner, so like sightseeing, somewhere nice. So I just want to remind you that whatever I'm going to be saying in this video, remember, at the end of the day, you can always just go and buy things. Like, that was my mentality. I thought, you know, if I ever do miss something, I'm gonna just buy something. But I think I packed quite well. I only bought things if I wanted to, or yeah, I lost my leggings and, you know, that I had to, so only in situations like that. I think a very good thing that I took was this thermo. I mean, any kind of thermo, because you can fold them, that they are so tiny, and they obviously keep you warm. So yeah, thermo has been like a really good choice, because I wore it a lot whenever it got colder. So my biggest regret, if there is one thing I would have changed and I would have taken with me, is one warm jacket. At the end, I ended up buying like another extra jacket, and then I was wearing my 2 jackets together to make it warmer, because you do need one warm jacket. And this was my mistake, because I thought South America is warm. I didn't realize how cold it is up in the mountains. So like, you don't need like a puffy big, you know, the skiing jacket. Just a jacket that is good resistant against rain, against wind, that is very practical, and also that has the material that you can fold quite easily, so it doesn't take that much space. If you are adventurous like me and you're going to be doing loads of like outdoor activities and Amazon and all that, I would actually recommend taking your own flashlight. I didn't have mine, and I've seen like in the shops you can get like a really small, powerful, practical ones, and I'm gonna definitely buy one, and I'm gonna be taking it on my trips, because you can do without it, you can. But I feel like there was so many times when I wish I had like a really cool, powerful flashlight that I could use on my trips. Then of course, cameras, laptops, you know, if you're working and traveling and all stuff like that, it's completely up to you what you want to take, camera or no camera. But whatever you take, do take, like, I bought for my drone, I bought like this really hard cover I guess that's how you call it, bag, because as much as I am very careful and I don't drop things, trust me, there will be people dropping your stuff. And even I in the airports with all, you know, like you are in these situations where I've dropped my bag so many times and like my drone is at the bottom, and I'm so grateful that I bought the bag for the drone and for my laptop. So yeah, I think even if you're very like careful person, there will be other people dropping your stuff, so make sure to get really like good bags and covers for your laptops, for your cameras, for your drones, all that. So laundry is gonna be a hassle no matter what. Like I think it's been like the biggest daily life hassle for me traveling is finding laundry and all that. But either way, regarding the items, if you think you need 6 pairs of socks or 10 pairs of socks, take more, take 5 more pairs, because the laundry service will always lose that one sock and then you're gonna end up with like 5.5 socks and all that. So yeah, definitely take extra socks because they do disappear somehow in laundries and in hotels. And I literally, it's my last days now in South America, in Brazil, and I'm so carefully planning out how I'm gonna wear my socks because I'm left like with 3 pairs of socks. And I actually think it's very important when you pack, no matter what you pack, just pack things that you are not ready to lose or break or ruin. Because 30% of my stuff has been ruined. Like I have a hole, or the laundry service has like messed up the colors. So it's not just about ruining clothes. I think if you're careful enough, no one's gonna steal your bag. But you can go on a long bus drives, you can go with the flights. I mean, lost bags is a thing, even if it's not a robbery. And you can just lose it. If you travel for 6 months non-stop all the time, buses, planes, like there is a chance you can lose your bag. So I think pack with the thought in mind that everything that you pack you are ready to lose or ruin. So don't take anything that you would be really upset to lose. That is why I have all my important things in my smaller backpack that I always wear with me, with the like hand luggage, with the bus with me all the time. Like, so I keep my drone, laptop, glasses, because I need glasses. If I lose glasses, like I don't know what I'm gonna do. So you know, things like that are very important for you, always with you, always. Never give them away in a bus, in a flight, nowhere, always with you. And then obviously all the clothes and toiletries and everything that goes in a big bag. Packing wise, I think really good has been these bags I ordered. I think I ordered them on Amazon, or it doesn't matter, I ordered like from AliExpress or something. They cost me like, I don't know, less than 10 euros. So they're very cheap, but they're very, very practical and good. And basically you can, if you pack it smart, you can squeeze in more than you thought you can. And I absolutely love them. Well, I hope I covered everything, but if I did miss something or you are interested in something, please drop a comment below, because not just for me to answer, because I'm reading all the comments, I'm gonna be answering all the comments, but also for other people. If they are watching this video, they might have similar questions that you have, and if you're asking me them, I'm gonna answer. It's gonna help other people too. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, it would mean a lot to me. And as I said, I traveled Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Bolivia, now I'm in Brazil, so I have a lot of content, a lot of travel ideas, a lot of practical advice on my channel, so make sure to check out my channel for that.